commands. To do this, say this. Open Start. Start. Open Katana. Note: Katana is available only in certain countries/regions, and some Katana features might not be available everywhere. If Katana isn't available, or is turned off, you can still use search. Press Windows C. Open search. Press Windows S. Perform an action in an app. Right-click, press Windows Z, press Ctrl B. Select an item by its name. File, Start, View. Select an item or icon. Click Recycle Bin, click Computer, click File Name. Double-click an item. Double-click Recycle Bin, double-click Computer, double-click File Name. Switch to an open app. Switch to Paint, switch to WordPad, switch to Program Name, switch Application. Scroll in one direction. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll left, scroll right. Insert new paragraph or new line in a document. New paragraph, new line. Select a word in a document. Select word. Select a word and start to correct it. Correct word. Select and delete specific words. Delete word. Show a list of applicable commands. What can I say? Update the list of speech commands that are currently available. Refresh speech commands. Turn on listening mode. Start listening. Turn off listening mode. Stop listening. Move the speech recognition microphone bar. Move speech recognition. Minimize the microphone bar. Minimize speech recognition. Commands for dictation. To do this, say this. Insert a new line in the document. New line. Insert new paragraph in the document. New paragraph. Insert a tab. Tab. Insert the literal word. For example, insert the word comma instead of the punctuation mark. Literal word. Insert the numeral form of a number. For examples, insert 3 instead of the word 3. Numeral number. Put the cursor before a specific word. Go to word. Put the cursor after a specific word. Go after word. Don't insert a space before the next word. No space. Go to the start of the current sentence. Go to start of sentence. Go to the start of the current paragraph. Go to start of paragraph. Go to the start of the current document. Go to start of document. Go to the end of the current sentence. Go to end of sentence. Go to the end of the current paragraph. Go to end of paragraph. Go to the end of the current document. Go to end of document. Select a word in the current document. Select word. Select a word range in the current document. Select word range. Select word through word. Select all text in the current document. Select all. Select a number of words before the location of the cursor. Select previous 20 words. Select previous 10 words. Select a number of words after the location of the cursor. Select next 20 words. Select next 10 words. Select the last text you dictated. Select that. Clear the selection on the screen. Clear selection. Capitalize the first letter of a word. Caps word. Capitalize all the letters of a word. All caps word. Make all the letters in a word lowercase. No caps word. Change the next number of words to uppercase. Change next 10 words to uppercase. Change the next number of words to lowercase. Change next 10 words to lowercase. Delete the previous sentence. Delete previous sentence. Delete the next sentence. Delete next sentence. Delete the previous paragraph. Delete previous paragraph. Delete the next paragraph. Delete next paragraph. Delete the selected, or last dictated text. Delete that. Commands for the keyboard. To do this, say this. Press a key or key combination. Press keyboard key, press A, press capital B, press Shift plus A, press Control plus A. Press certain keyboard keys without saying press first. Delete, backspace, enter, page up, page down, home, end, tab. Notes. You can also use the Kannada phonetic alphabet. For example, say press alpha to press A or press bravo to press B. Speech recognition commands for the keyboard works only with languages that use Latin alphabets. Commands for punctuation marks and special characters. To insert this, say this. Dot, comma, dot, semicolon, period, dot, decimal point, colon, colon, quote, open double quote, open quote, quote, close double quote, close inverted commas, apostrophe, 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 open single quote, apostrophe, close single quote, greater than sign, less than sign, slash, forward slash, back quote, backslash, tilde, tilde, at sign, exclamation point, exclamation mark, exclamation point, question mark, number, number sign, pound sign, dollar, dollar sign, percent, percent sign, caret, left parenthesis, open parenthesis, open paren, right parenthesis, close parenthesis, close paren, underscore, hyphen, minus sign, dash, end dash, em dash, equals, equal sign, plus, plus sign, left brace, open curly bracket, right brace, close curly bracket, left bracket, open square bracket, right bracket, close square bracket, vertical bar, colon dash, smiley face, colon dash left parenthesis, frowny face, comma dash, winky face. Trademark sign, 3/4, 3/4 sign, 1/4, 1/4 sign, 1/2, 1/2 sign, pounds, pound sterling sign, and ampersand, and sign, asterisk, asterisk, slash slash, double slash, back quote, open angle bracket, greater than, close angle bracket, plus or minus sign, quote, open angle quote, close angle quote, times, multiplication sign, divided by, division sign, cents, cent sign, yen sign, section sign, copyright sign, registered sign, registered trademark sign, degrees, degree sign, paragraph sign, commands for Windows and apps. To do this, say this. Function sign, select an item by its name, file, start, view, select an item or icon, click recycle bin, click computer, click file name, double-click an item, double-click computer, double-click recycle bin, double-click folder name, right-click an item, right-click computer, right-click recycle bin, right-click folder name. Minimize all windows to show your desktop. Show desktop. Select something if you don't know what it's called. Show numbers. Numbers will appear on the screen for every item in the active window. Say an item's corresponding number to select it. Select a numbered item. 19 OK, 5 OK. Double-click numbered item. Double-click 19, double-click 5. Right-click numbered item. Right-click 19, right-click 5. Open an app. Open Paint, open WordPad, open app name. Switch to an open app. Switch to Paint, switch to WordPad, switch to app name, switch application. Close an app. Close that, close Paint, close Documents. Minimize. Minimize that, minimize Paint, minimize Documents. Maximize. Maximize that, maximize Paint, maximize Documents. Restore. Restore that, restore Paint, restore Documents. Cut. Cut that, cut. Copy. Copy that, copy. Paste. Paste. Delete. Delete that, delete. Undo. Undo that, scratch that, undo. Scroll in one direction. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll right, scroll left. Scroll an exact distance in pages. Scroll down 2 pages, scroll up 10 pages. Scroll an exact distance in other units. Scroll up 5, scroll down 7. Go to a field in a form or app. Commands for using the mouse. To do this, say this. Show the mouse a grid. Mouse a grid. Move the pointer to the center of a mouse a grid square. Number of the square, 1, 7, 9. Select a mouse a grid square. Click number of the square. Select an item to drag with the mouse. Number of the square where the item appears, followed by mark, 3 mark, 7 mark, 9 mark. Select an area in the mouse grid where you want to drag the item. Number of the square where you want to drag the item, followed by click, 4 click, 5 click, 6 click,